Hi friends, so today we're going to solve the cube with the beginner's method, but we're only going to do it up to the second layer. So you want to have this yellow on the top and then the white on the bottom. That's going to hold it forever. So now we're going to solve for a daisy. We're going to have 4 white edge pieces. So there's one over here. We can just easily turn it up. Now there's one over here. Nothing does it if you just turn it somehow, but you can turn it to the side, and then I can just go up to here and get the place. And I go look for more around the cube. For instance, this one's on the bottom. Nothing will do if you do this, so just misplace this one. So you want to move it to one where you want to move it to. So like here, you want the white to go here. You can just simply turn this to the side, but then when you do that, it will turn over here. So you turn it like this, then you turn it up. Now we have 3 petals. Now we're going to do the last petal. It's over here. Same thing when it's on the bottom. Turn it to the side first. This, no, doesn't work. So you're going to move it to here, turn it over here, and bring it up. So once you got your daisy completed, you're going to make a white cross. So this whole entire thing is going to be a white cross. So you will look under to one of the petals. This green's already matched with green center. So you go turn this twice and it's down here. Just do 1 and then 2. And then over here again, there's 2. There's one blue, it's already matched to the blue center. So bring it twice, bring it twice down. Now I have a line over here, but you're not complete with the cross yet. So now we're going to turn this to the red center because there's a red, and before it was matched to whatever color, it's not red. So we're going to move it down here and then bring it twice down. And over here is orange already a match. So now you should have a white cross on the bottom. Now we're going to solve the whole entire white, and when we solve that, the first layer is also going to be solved. So I see a white one on this top layer. You want to look to the side of it, and it's red. It's matched to the orange center, but you want it to be matched to the red center, like that. And then the right trigger, you first bring it up, then you turn it clockwise, then you turn it back down. Now that is going to be filled in, but there's another one, so we're going to fix that. It's blue. Let's go match it to the blue center. But we want to solve this first, because we're going to have to do that a few times to get this. So then you can just do the right trigger again, this way and that. Now this is on the bottom, this is on the top layer. Then you do the right trigger again. Now we're going to solve this. Hold it like that so it's not facing you. And then you do the left trigger. Left trigger is basically the opposite of right trigger. So you bring it up, and you bring it to this. Then you bring it counterclockwise, and bring it down. Now you have a white over here, and you go look to the side of it. It's blue again. You're going to match it to diagonally to its blue side, and then you're going to do the left trigger, because it's on the left side of the cube. That's how you determine to do the right or left, and then do it again. Solve until you have your whole entire bottom solved and your first layer. Now we're going to solve the second layer. Look for ones that are not yellow. Like for instance this one, it's a red. So you want to make sure you have a long T. Like this. Look to the top of it, it's red. Is red on the right or left? So in my case, it's on the right. So first you're going to turn it counterclockwise. Clockwise. Then you're going to do the right trigger. Because on the right side of the cube, red is on the right. So you do the right trigger, clockwise, and bring it back down. Now you broke a piece. You're going to look to the side of it, it's red, and then you're going to match it to red center, then you're going to do the left trigger. There we go. So now we solve this. Go look for more all around the cube. So there's one over here. You're going to bring it to its blue center, so you have a long T. And then it's orange on the right or left. So mine is on the left. So you go turn it opposite. Just go turn it counterclockwise. Then you go do the left trigger. this way, then counterclockwise there, and then you broke a piece. It's orange this side. You have white and then orange. Then you're going to do this, the right trigger. It's on the right side of the cube. That's how you determine. So you sometimes run into edge case like this where all of them are what? All of them are yellow. So you see yellow, yellow. This is orange, but over here is yellow. So you don't want that either over here. So you're going to do a right or left trigger. Over here is on the left, and it's messed up, so I'd rather do the left trigger. Then you broke a piece, then you fix it. You're going to do this until you solve the whole entire second layer. And I'll show you how that should look like. Go finish mine up. So now my whole entire second layer solves red, blue, orange, and green. So now our whole entire second layer solved, and stay tuned for the next video on solving the rest of the cube. Bye!